Traders add to Bank of England easy bets, seeing 60 basis points of cuts by 2026's end. In 10 minutes time, we do get French HICP year-on-year final. Forecast 0.8% on the prior 0.8%. Month-on-month, forecast minus 0.2% on the prior minus 0.2%. CPI year-on-year non-seasonally adjusted. Forecast 0.9% on the prior 0.9%. Month-on-month, forecast minus 0.1% on the prior minus 0.1%. The 2026 APEC meeting to be held on November 18th to 19th in China's Shenzhen, according to Xinhua.
Okay, now my audio is here. What the hell? That was a freaky deaky. My iPad's doing maximum updates now because I haven't turned it on in ages. I wouldn't have taken that anyway. 6 pips is a bit big. And then I would have covered the low, so it would have been not 6 but 7. And then this would have been 5R for 35 pip move. It's not even worth it. Not even worth it. I'm trying to catch big moves and maximize the R and then just have a lower trade frequency. So if you did enter here, you would have had break even here, but would have tagged it right there anyway. Trying to figure out what price is trying to do. found a demand zone right here and it worked. That's interesting. What it held for now.
French HICP year-on-year final 0.8%, 0.8% as expected. Month-on-month minus 0.2%, minus 0.2% as expected. French CPI month-on-month non-seasonally adjusted minus 0.2%, minus 0.2%, lower than forecast minus 0.1%. Year-on-year non-seasonally adjusted 0.9%, 0.9% as expected.
Now you could say it's taken this low into this demand zone deeper and that's pushed off. For me to want that long, I needed to break structure, pull back and go for confirmation. So let's just copy paste. Yo Mangi, hi, what's going on, bro? How are we? Well, I'm finally back. Feeling good there? Yeah, okay, 50-50. My sleeping pattern's okay, which is why I made it. Bro, I went to sleep like 8 p.m. Finally decided, yeah. I went to sleep like 8 p.m. yesterday and I was like, I have to be awake on time. I have to. The alarm went off at 6 a.m. I was like, thank God I woke up. And I was like, okay, I feel okay, so I'm going to take another 20-minute nap. Took a 20-minute nap, woke up 6:20. I was like, okay, I still feel okay. Took another 20-minute nap. Woke up at
Continue, guys.
6:40.
So
I was like,
you
okay,
need
time to get
go
out of
for
bed.
Buyouts.
I'm here. I'm alive. I don't have to take a trade, but I'm alive. I'm on the charts. That's enough. We've had FOMC out the way. Dollar should be weakening. Longs should be the play. We've got invalid zone on the 4-hour on EU and on GU. Longs look good. Oh, the news come out bad for GU. Basically, yeah. Basically, there's about another week till I can find a good trader. Other than that, we'll have to wait. Like, when do we get good price action? I think it's gonna be in a few weeks, isn't it? So, Forex Factory this month. Okay, so next week will be clean. No, wait. Yeah, next week will be good because you got a lot of news. The week after is going to be absolutely dead because of all the bank holiday stuff. The week after that's going to be New Year week, which is going to be absolutely dead. Week after that is going to be the first week, which normally isn't that good. So week commencing the 12th might be okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. So you might have to wait 5 weeks for the markets to get good again. Because the first 2-3 weeks of January are not that good. It's normally the end of January price tends to get a bit better. So yeah, I would very much like to be able to get a payout before then. It'd be very nice to get a payout before then. True, yeah, literally we've only got this week really. Yeah. Oh, by the way, Francis, I've got a personal account. I don't know if you know or not. I built a personal account. So I did say I wanted to go long, but there was equal lows right here, which I was skeptical of, and now price is coming down for those lows. I would like it to come slap these lows and then push higher. But as I said, we just had bad news from pound, so yeah. But if we're gonna see the dollar weaken even more, then yeah, yen might start seeing a bit of inflow of price. IC market, so the same one, that the same pricing, everything as this, it's the same broker, and the raw spreads and everything are the same as what this demo account is. So I think the lots and also everything are the same. It's only got £480, so like what, $550, $600. But just because I've had enough of prop firms, man, I'd rather just start building a personal account and just get ready for something, man, rather than trying to trade these stupid firms. So it's more of a move to get away from prop firms. Because I said to myself, I'm not buying any more challenges until I pass these and get payouts, and I'm funneling it into my own account. Like, I'm not wasting any more time buying challenges and stuff like that. I'll show you the account in 1 second. Which one is it? Is it this account? No. Is it this account? Yes. Okay. It is this one. Is it this one? Is it in the 5-minute chart on GU? Yeah, this one here. So you can see here, so it's a new account. I put the money in on the 8th. So when was that? Like on the 8th, Monday. Yeah, I did put the money in on Monday. Yeah, so this is the account. The risk is quite aggressive. You can see the risk is aggressive on here. 1 second. How do I show this thing? Yeah, so you can see here the risk is quite aggressive because I'm doing 16 times whatever I risk on the demo account, which is 0.25%, so that should work out to about 4% risk per trade, just a tad under 4%. It's an aggressive risk on this account, but I'm willing to lose the 419. If I do hit 1-2 TPs, I'm gonna pretty much grow my account by half of what the value is. So if I do end up getting 2 TPs and growing the account by 100%, so I've turned that 480 into basically 1,000 almost, then I'll drop the risk to 2% and just do 2%, 2%, 2%, 2% basically. And then I'll start swing trading from there is what the idea is. So this account's going to be more of a different approach to the markets. Let me go back to TradingView. There's TradingView. It's stupid. There. So that's kind of the idea. Let's go back to gold. What's gold doing? I wanted gold longs, but price kind of already gone. I would like to see it come down and then tag like some type of demand zone around here, or even just take this low and then on M1 give confirmation for longs. I wouldn't mind going long on gold. Then what about silver? Silver looks a bit cleaner. Let me set an alert right here. I'm gonna set an alert right here. Go to gold, set an alert right here. That's about all I can do. Right, that's interesting. That's interesting. I found some computer parts anyway. Really good pricing. I got some really good pricing on the CPU. I even got a better CPU than what I wanted for almost the same price. I was like, wow, that's good. Like, yo, that's really good. I need price to break this high here for me to get confident in these longs. Otherwise, if we do get close to London Open, the odds are that this is Frankfurt high, and we might just target the low because pound is weak, or I'm expecting it to be weak from the data that's just come out. I don't think CPU prices are going to increase because of the RAM price flying through the sky. I think that suppliers and stuff like that, they need to start making other things more affordable. Otherwise, people aren't going to buy CPUs and GPUs and motherboards and stuff like that. Like, motherboards right now are really, really affordable. GPUs are coming down in price really well. What else you got? Only thing that's going through the roof is RAM and SSD. Cases are coming down, boards are coming down, AIOs are coming down. Everything's slowly starting to decrease. So it's kind of like, you know how before RAM was affordable but GPUs were crazy? Now it's starting to level out. Nah, trust me, MD Insiders already confirmed they start increasing prices. AI servers still need CPUs. Yeah, well, this guy's got a couple anyway, so I'm gonna get them next month, I'm hoping. He's got a couple. I've said to him, hold one for me. So I'll have a CPU hopefully by next month, touch wood. As I said, if I get a payout before that, I might have everything sooner. Can drawings in TradingView disappear? Not really, no, unless you click something, but it's easy to click something and then it does disappear. So you can click on there and hit hide by accident. So it's easy for you to accidentally click and then it disappears. The only other time it happens is when you're loading. When it's loading the page, it will load the price action, not the indicators, and after the indicators it'll load the drawings. This happened to me loads of times, but it's just like slow and lagging. Yeah, just either click undo like 1-2 times and then reload if that doesn't work. But normally it won't just disappear. It's either loading or stuck or yeah. But I've got the ECU. I'm getting a CPU. Remember I told you I wanted the 9900X? I managed to get 9900X 3D for the same price. Same price, bro, for the X3D. And the X3D by AMD is another $140. It's almost the same price as a 9950X, which is wicked. So I'm getting a really, really good deal on it. And it's brand new in box. I found a guy selling DDR5 32 gig 216s. I think he wanted 220 for him. That's the best price I could get. I did look at DDR4, but my motherboard can't handle it, so that's so annoying, man, because I've seen DDR4 is way more affordable. So we've broke internal structure here. So this is internal structure. And I got London open right now. So now the question is London open going to tag this zone and respond to it? Is it going to take out these lows? Because now you've got 1, 2, 3 relatively equal lows. Ha, this is interesting. This is so close that I can't really forecast what pound's going to do on yen. Like, I can't tell because it's so close to that zone. I would expect it to come take those lows. It would make sense for that. It makes sense that pound comes, takes these lows and then pushes up. Or it just keeps melting down. Pound's coming into this low here. We still need to see price come break this high if I want to. Ooh. If I want to go long, I still need to see, yeah, pound respect this demand zone and go higher. Or it could come take the low. I mean, it could come take the lower Frankfurt. Okay, it's tagged the zone, given a response. What are we gonna see? What are we gonna see? Is it gonna break this high? What did euro do? London open on the euro USD. Price come took these lows on the London open. Now let's see if we see any order flow anywhere. Like, does price start to follow supply zones or does it follow demand zones? My AIO cooler comes tomorrow. I've got my motherboard, I've got my fans, I've got my case, I've got my power supply. I just need CPU, GPU, SSD and RAM. SSD I can get a good deal. RAM I found an okay deal. CPU I found a really good deal. GPU I can't find anything clean as of yet. So if I get one like clean trade on the 100k account and I get a payout before then, I'll order the pot. If not, I'll just continue waiting because I don't want to dig deeper into my profits by trying to get greedy for a trade. Bear in mind, this is a supply zone here that we tagged. Then we tagged into the demand zone. Let's see what happens. Yes, come on. Yep. Only issues I can't take along from here. That's going to be a huge SL. Oh my god. 8.2, it'd be 9.2, probably 9.5. So I wouldn't take that. I definitely wouldn't take that. There's 35 pips on this would be what? 3.5 R. I am not taking such a trade for 3.5 R. That's not even worth it. The Euro's done a lovely move off after taking these lows here. And pound tagging the lower Frankfurt. This has technically taken Frankfurt low. That is Frankfurt low technically. Oh, it come. Took the level out. Nice. I can't enter from anywhere. I can't enter from anywhere. SL too much big. Too much big. So if you guys not looking to trade then or not? I know Mwangi's probably looking, but what about you then, Francis? Are you looking at gold or not? Oof, it's still going, man. Damn it. About silver. I can't see anything yet. Waiting for gold to touch Tokyo midline. Okay. Midline man right here. So what we're seeing, taken the low, broke structure, tagged the low. We break structure again. Oh god, supply zone right there. If I don't catch a clean trade today by New York session, I might just stick a 0.01 lot on all the accounts. Just to do the minimum trading day like inactivity thing, you know. And then hopefully they'll time me over till the second week of January, so I wouldn't have to worry then. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That put me at the 9th, which would be, oh, what's happened there? What are you doing here? 1 second. The 9th would be the second or the first full week in January. Yeah, that's what I'll probably do today or next week. When was my last trade? 1 second. You go to one of the accounts. When was the last trade I took? It was on the 4th. Last Thursday. Yes. Last Thursday. Okay. So I did one longs on GJ, but the entry was just too wide. What about 32nd? Would there have been? No, there wasn't really anything on here either. No. So unfortunate, man. If I see price break this high and come down, I'm willing to look from a demand zone from Euro on London Open, like a London Open demand zone. Because pounds kind of tagged this Frankfurt low here. Euro's taken Frankfurt low, both having a nice reaction. So I think I will be more confident in going long. I just need to find a place to go long from. And I think I would prefer to go long on Euro. I think euro is a better pair to go long. Ah, the dispatch to the cooler. Awesome. When's that gonna get delivered then? That should be tomorrow. Dispatched. See all updates. Package left with that courier. Facility. Okay, so left with them today. What time was that? There's only one 4TB SSD left. Damn it. Wow. 2TB SSD, 1,000 plus were bought on Amazon website from Samsung in the last month. And for the 4TB, 500 plus were bought. I need them to stock up on the 4TB because they got a great deal. £265 is amazing. I need for that to come down or stay. Just restock up, please. Used or let me. Okay. Doesn't it already come with thermal paste? Oh, thermal grizzly Doran 6 gram enhanced durability high performance thermal paste for overclocking. Bro, this is $18. £18. There's another one that's £5 and it's got 7,000 buyers. 2 gram. Oh wait, I don't need 6 gram. How many gram do I need? Ah, okay. Most people are thermal paste is crap. Got ya. I want good stuff in it. How much do I need? Because there's 1 gram, 2 gram, 6 gram. 6 grams nearly $20, which is insane. 2 grams like $14, £13. I'll just say pounds in it. £13, £12. Sorry. I'm guessing like 2-3 grams. Arctic. What about Arctic? Isn't Arctic good? Two gram is the case, and yeah, that's what I mean, just for CPU, yeah. So I'll get the 2 gram. Yeah, so I'll get the 2 gram. I'll add it to the basket, and then I'll order them together, innit? Yeah. Done. That's added to the basket. Arctic is, yeah, they're way cheaper, like way cheaper. But I don't know if their thermal paste is still as good or not. Let's do Arc, A-R-C, Arctic. Arctic thermal paste. I think this is Arctic, the actual supplier. European Hardware Award 2025 Best Thermal Interface Arctic MX6 Kit Guru Editorial Awards 2025 winner. Wow, okay. This is the MX6. Apparently it's really good stuff. I mean, it's had 2,500 sellers and it's got 4.6 out of 5 rating. I'll add that to the basket. Can you put too much thermal paste on, or can you never put enough on, if that makes sense? And is it reusable? I'm adding the 4 gram of Arctic, and then I could use like a lot if I need to. You need a pea-sized amount. Apply it to the middle, then attach the cooler. Yeah, and then you can like scrape it, like spread it out everywhere. No, once you detach the cooler, you need to apply it again. Yeah. So I could just get the 4 gram then, so I've got extra in case I ever need to, because I do want to change the cooler out eventually for like a better one with an LCD screen. So I'll probably get the 4 gram, because then that'll be more than enough later on. Or if I ever get the money to upgrade the CPU to like a 9950X 3D. I can't wait to build this computer, man. It's gonna be so cool. It's gonna be coolio, daddy-o. Anyway, so I could go along here, but there's an issue. We got a supply zone right there, so I'm not gonna go along from there. I feel like that's a suspicious zone. And we do have 3 equal lows right here. Bear in mind, yes, we are slowly starting to see bullish price action now, but this is still internally very bearish. So we're just starting to see this bit of price action, so it's easy to get misled by saying yeah, we're bullish now, because remember on M1 we're looking at the short time frame thing. Can you use the thermal paste for anything else, or is it only CPU? I don't think there's anything else you could use it on, is there? I'm gonna have a breakfast bar, man. GPUs, where would you use it on a GPU? Where would you use them on a GPU, dude? I'm gonna zoom out on eurusd. I don't like the look of it. It's a bit condensed. That looks better. EU not really doing much right now. You can see that in the M15 time frame right here. GU pushing down slowly. GJ had a lovely bit of volume pre-Frankfurt. Gold's done a push up. Silver's not moving. I'm surprised. What's going on with silver and gold, man? So if gold's up 0.3%, silver should be at least 1.5 or 1%. But instead it's less, which is interesting. It could be profit taking happening. Which makes sense because the silver is at all-time highs and stuff like that, so it could be profit taking going on. Which makes sense because it is right near 64. On some brokers it probably could be 64. So yeah, it could be profit taking. Silver's been outperforming gold last 2 years. We just realized that now, Francis. Oh man, brother.
AI apps.
So we break structure here. Took this higher, dropped there, tagged into this little demand zone here, pushed up, took that higher, pushed back down. Bloody hell, I mean, what is this price action? What is this? What the hell is this? For me, price action is crappy so far. I can't seem to figure it out. Bit confusing. I have a preference to go long on GU and EU. Preference meaning it looks like it's price action. Oh my god. Price action is telling me it's more likely to go long. On EU, GU, GJ, it's hinting that longs are also valid. Tokyo messing price action. Nowadays London and New York pick up the slack. Yeah, Well, I mean, today it was the case, yeah. Yesterday I had good volume. Oh god, yeah, look at that. Oh wow, for the last couple of weeks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 crappy days out of the last 7 or 8 from Asia. Asia's been a bit weird, yeah. Has it been holding midline? Held a midline there. 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 Failed there. Held a midline there, pushed up. It's holding the midline quite often though, which is good. This could be an Asia low bounce. I mean, look at that on yen now. You're seeing a nice little move come out of yen, which is surprising. Could have taken it from here, but remember I said you tagged the supplies and don't like the look of that. It's an invalidation. Also, 5.5 pips a bit bigger than what I prefer, because that'd be 6 point. Ooh, see, it disappeared. Everything disappeared. Oh, there you go. Come back. Bloody hell. So 6.5. Wait, what was it? It's 5.5. So we do 6.5. Yeah, it's still quite big, in it, and that is quite big. But I'm happy with having a right analysis and just not taking it because it's too big or getting swerved. I'm completely happy with that. Look at this. 30 minutes since London Open, we've only moved 6 pips on euro. Bloody stupid price action, man. 71. I think pound's done a little bit more. About double. Yen's gonna do a good amount from the looks of this. Or like a 25 pip. 23. What about CHF then? Obviously, silver right now is in a bit of a difficult situation, so that's fine. But I'm sure CHF has done. I'm sure CHF has done pretty much nothing as well since London Open. Yeah, 9, so kind of flat. It looks like we're just gonna have to wait, boys. The only entry I could find on gold was literally the Asia high bounce, but that was the entry would have been around either here or my preference, actually I prefer this zone. I'd have kept it tight as well and tried to enter off at M1. That looks lovely, that zone right there. But then it would have been a pretty nice Asia high bounce and then fly up, but no, it's just kind of left. I can delete that limit, that's fine, because I don't think gold's gonna drop down how many pips. I don't think gold's gonna drop 150 pips to 180 to then go up another 250, 300. I don't see that happening in the next hour unless something happens volume wise, but I just don't really see that happening. Silver looks better. I think we still got a possibility on silver, but yeah, gold's peace out, my boy. Boys, did you trade this week or not? I know Francis didn't, but Mwangi, did you catch any trades? Oh, look at that. So if you did take it from here and cover that low, and then you follow the break-even process of going break-even here, you wouldn't have made any money, but you would have had a break-even. That's interesting. Gold's doing a nice run, man. Look at that. Bro, yeah, look at gold go, man. Francis, you looking at this? Wow, look at silver is really not doing nothing, is it, compared to gold? Wow, okay. Yeah. Nice little move there. You just might get a massive sell-off in New York again, and then it'll just continue to trend over the weekend or something. It's the only thing I can think of on gold. What was all-time high? 43.81. Okay. 43.81 was all-time high. If I don't get anything by about 9:45, I'll cut the stream early because I'd rather just wait for New York session. Oi. I've seen euro fall a bit now. Pound's just ranging still. I'm starting to wonder if this momentum is sustainable. A lot of markets breaking 20-year all-time highs. A lot of it stemming from these tariffs and trade negotiations and stuff like that. So it depends what you're looking at. If you're looking at DXY, you're gonna have all-time lows because Trump's trying to cut it down as much as he can. If you're looking at the stock market, they're gonna have all-time highs. If you're looking at stuff like assets like gold and silver, obviously if you get more rate cuts and a weaker dollar and you're trading gold versus dollar, then yeah, it's gonna fly more. If you traded gold versus pound, it'd be a different story. It wouldn't be as all-time high, if that makes sense. So I think it's sustainable. Only shit coins don't have all-time, yeah, exactly, because crypto is more related to the stock market, but for some reason, because there's instability, risk on, because you're having more of a risk off, crypto is shitting itself. Crypto's pooping itself. Well, like I say, you can see the difference between gold and silver, gold and Bitcoin. Bitcoin, the minute things get a bit, tense, Bitcoin goes in the toilet. The minute things get a bit tense, gold flies through the sky. Like there's a big difference on which is a more safer asset. Gold is far safer. You could say build up sweep and then look for a continuation on Euro USD. But as I said, I'm not sure, man. I'm just seeing more bearish price action. So Frankfurt high, made a higher low, made a lower high, made a lower low. London come open, keeps pushing down. I think I deleted it. Yeah, maybe you deleted it. Yeah. Go to different time frames because some drawings work on different time frames. I might pop up on a different time frame. So check that, and if you can't, then yeah, you probably deleted them.
Kremlin aide saying Moscow did not see revised US proposals after talks with Ukraine. May not like if lot of things there. Would you interfax?
I'm just surprised how pound's holding up okay. When you look at that. And then pound's holding up alright. And euro is just, you know. That's weird. Are you sure you're logged in? Because when you make an account and you log in, it sees your drawings on your account. So if you're not logged in, your drawings will disappear because it'll just be showing like a plain account. So the best RAM I can find brand new is 32 gigs for 420. Woo, that's bad. That's bad. $64 gig is 600, man, that's insane value. Good morning, brother.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
That's weird, bro. What the hell have you done? Have you logged in? Have you logged into your account? Because it's all saved on your account. So look here. On this one you got all the drawings here. On this one you don't have the drawings on a separate window. Let's show you. I don't know what's it at now. And then here it doesn't have the drawings for DXY. I just had to put a fib on it. So it's down to if you're logged in, I think, maybe, I don't know. Or the alerts are on. The alerts work. But I think the drawings. Really? How? How'd you? Couldn't find it, mate. Yeah, it probably can. If it's that close, then yeah, it can. Wow, euro is falling. What the hell happened there? That's interesting, isn't it?
Japan Finance Ministry official. Participants at today's primary dealers meeting said reduction in sales of super long JGBs are desirable.
Euro is coming down.
UK FCA fines £44.1 million fine on Nationwide Building Society.
See, I could have got in shorts if it gave clean price action, but it didn't, man. So higher low, higher high, higher low, lower high, equal low, still internal lower high, but it broke that high but didn't break that high, then made a higher low, then made an equal high, then made it still equal low, then made a lower high, then broke low, then you got an M1 supply zone there that I just didn't tag, and then it fell. So you can't, like, it's so stuck in a range, man. If your drawings are on sync, you can choose a different layout and your drawings won't be visible. You can't sync drawings on the manager tab on the object tree. Okay. GU's come down, taking these lows into that deep demand zone. Let's give a push up. Now, guys, I think that's going to continue pushing down as well. Banana Puko. We're at 9:05 anyway. Let's get rid of that. 9:30's are coming. UJ, let me have a look. Yeah, just remark them, bro, and then save the layout. You can share your layout as well, that's cool. I don't think gold has anything to do with yen and dollar. I don't think there's any correlation. I think we're just in a difficult time where yen's it should short. It should come down. I mean, it has already. Coming down slowly, innit? I just play crazy. It should short. I think it's just markets are a bit flat right now, to be fair, man. Forex wise and stuff anyway. Everything just a bit flat. Okay, so we come down, took New York low, go on M1, nothing's really happened yet. I think either New York's gonna be good, or I think next week might be the one. Next week might be the one. Francis, I have a question. You know, now that I'm gonna have all my fans and the motherboard, yeah, and the AIO, could I put them in the case with the PSU and plug everything up and just turn the fans on and see if they work? Or do I have to have like the CPU in there and connect it on a computer and stuff like that? Or could I just have a case with board, all fans connected and PSU, and then just flick it on to see all the fans? I want to see what the air's like, the air circulation, because it's got 6 fans and the 3 fans on the radiator as well, so 9 fans. I want to see how much suction's going on, or airflow even. Yeah, airflow. Suppose the motherboard would control the fans, CPU would control them. Makes sense. I just wondered because it'd be good in it to have it done so you can see how much airflow you have. And then you could like reverse the fans and stuff like that to get the airflow perfect in it, if you get what I mean. If you had a fan header with the USB plug, you could try it. How would that work? Interesting. I might need to chat GPT it, because then I can figure out exactly how to get the airflow perfectly and then flick all the fans around, so it's perfect in it. I don't want there to be too much intake and not enough exhaust. I don't want there to be too much exhaust, not enough intake. I want it to be like balanced in it. And the only way I could think of doing it by taking the side shell off, side case off, putting all the fans in, turning them all on, and just putting my hand in there and just feeling where the airflow goes. And then I can reverse the fans in whatever direction I need to. Oh, is that always the front? Yeah, that's always the front. Yeah. And they can look at the fins and see the direction. Gold is killing it. It's completely taken out this level, man. Look at that. That key area is just fully gone past it like nothing. Oh, look at that bad boy. And then silver's like, meh. Oh wait, it's pushing now. There you go. Silver did a late one, but it's just finally. God damn it. Why didn't it let me? Why didn't it do a pullback? Don't you mean when you're not looking for a trade? Because even when you're looking for a trade, you can't get it. And when you don't look, it's done. Yeah, I suppose it's different. For me, because it's very, very technical, I've got like 10 points or whatever the hell it is, yeah, and it's like it changes so fast that you have to like continuously be looking at the charts and be adapting and adapting and adapting. So, yeah. People use the way that similar trade strategy to I have, but they use it with supply demand on 4 hour and 1 hour, and I just can't be bothered with that. I'd rather just stick to M1, M5, M15 and just work my way through that, then going to 1 hour, 4 hour, finding all the zones and stuff like that. I can't be bothered, man. I just make it as simple as I can on a higher time frame, and I put all my effort on lower time. Your strategy is good though, man. The more simple it is, the better it is when you go higher time frame. And 30 minutes is a solid time frame. Like, that's clean. Today I didn't trade, bro, but I should have. It's okay. I didn't trade since last Thursday. I've been trading a lot more recently as well, but not. Normally I don't trade so much. I'm just gonna go M5 on here and get ready for New York session with this. Wow, gold's done a massive move, man. Yeah, exactly. There's no rush. Why rush? Opportunities come and go all the time. Every time. I don't know if it's gonna do all-time high. You still got another $650 pips. I mean, I don't know if that's gonna happen, bro. I don't know if it's gonna do that today. Next week I think it will, but not today. That's another 1.5%, and we're already up nearly 1. So I don't think so. I don't think so. But silver will definitely make a new all-time high. I think it did. It did make a new all-time high. Go silver, go. Go silver, go. SL too big, then yes, maybe. Not manageable. What's CHF doing? Oh my god, CHF is so bad. Wow. That was so bad. Nah, I think we're gonna keep going higher and higher. It's gonna be same as before. Profit taking our psychological levels and continuing its push. We already know Fed's gonna do more rate cuts. Obviously, if you looked at FOMC, the statement come out more bearish on the dollar than anything. So it's just gonna encourage gold to fly even more. So yeah, I think gold's gonna keep doing what it did before. Make an all-time high, tiny little pullback, all-time high, tiny little pullback, and just keep doing what it did before, like the massive contraction. So if you'd have bought here, you would have took an L. Here you couldn't take an entry. Here if you took an entry you would have had break even and then nothing here. So after taking you out, then price flew up. Now if you were to go in here, I bet it's going to take you and come back down. But I would not take a trade all day up here when the entry was supposed to be down here, because then let's just say for argument's sake around here we're already down or out by 18 to 24 pip difference we're already at. So I wouldn't even bother. I think in 2026, if I start getting payouts and stuff like that, I'll start doing giveaways and stuff. I'll probably buy you guys accounts. I'll buy you like 5 or 10k accounts or something like that. For example, if I've done like 15, 20, 30k in payouts, I'll probably buy like, I don't know, 5 people or 10k or something like that. Also, if you look at this now on M5, okay, probably M2 be a bit cleaner. This just looks like a bloody channel, doesn't it? That to me looks like a flipping channel. Wunderbar? What do you mean? That looks... Oh, that's a Swahili, yeah. Wunderbar ndugu. I don't know. Maybe. It would have got swerved here. And as I said, Asia low bounce and then drop makes sense. So, oh no, you would have got tagged here.
China to impose export license on some steel products January 1st.
Yeah, you could have shorted from here, but looking back in hindsight, shorts were good here, but I don't like how you would have been in this trade for $30 minutes to get break even. I don't like the look of that. I don't like the look of that. It should have been a fast move, violent move and stuff like that, or a quick move, and then yeah, sure. I'm not gonna sit in a trade for 30 minutes just to catch a break even. No way. But I suppose you did have price tag the zone once, tag the zone again, tag the zone again, invalid zone. Does make sense, but that trade's not the right one. I think on Euro it would have been the right one. We're at midline here. The price broke structure, as in the structural low. It broke it about here. Let's have a look. Yeah, so it broke it here, and for me there would have been no entry there anyway. Yeah, the entries are happening in with entry models I don't like taking, because they're not so clean and they're a bit more choppy, and I don't like it. I just like sticking to my usual single breaker structure. If there's a channel, channel's been taken out and it comes back for a demand zone and then flies straight after, or if there's an invalid zone that leaves a demand zone and it breaks structure, comes straight back into it, that's the only one I like taking. Or where it breaks structure, pulls back, tags in demand zone and breaks structure again. They're the only two I like taking. I don't like taking it directly off of a break,
5%.
pull back into supply and then shoot off. I don't like taking that type of entry, because a lot of the time it happens, it seems to not work out well. Right, we're at 9:30 now. Give it another 15-20 minutes max, and then I'll call it a day for London session. And I'll come back for New York. And if I trade New York, I probably will trade it in the Discord if anyone wants to. If not, I'll just do it on my own, because I trade New York session on my own because I don't think anyone's even trading New York. So yeah, also I just like trading on my own and listening to music, but I might trade it in the Discord if you guys want to. If not, no problem. Saves my computer RAM and stress. See, so price break structure here, contact in that demand zone, then you've been ranging for. I did say I wouldn't take it from that level as well. Obviously, I wouldn't want to after price has done all that move. You can see that clearly now. Build up. Sweet. I might hop into a short from here maybe. What about euro? I suppose you could kind of say the same thing, yeah, but it has just tagged come into this low here, but I think it's fine. So hopefully we get that. Who are you talking to, D? I don't know. I don't know. I don't trade UK stocks. I think UK is very unstable. So I don't look at it. M15 showing bearishness on EUG, so if I can get an M1 reason to take an entry, then yeah, sure, why not? But this might just be like a 1 to 3, 1 to 4. Not my preferred style. Oh, who'd you get 3-step account with? Have you bought more accounts? Oh, lot. I don't know why people go to these weird prop firms, man. No, I wouldn't. Oh, okay, good. That's good. 3 accounts is okay. 3 is acceptable. Aha, wait a second. What we've done is just come take Frankfurt low. Wait a second. Wait a second, mate. You wait a second right here. So we've got all of this here. We just come taking Frankfurt low after London's done a 15 pip move down in an hour and a half. So 15 to 20 pips in the first hour and a half. Frankfurt lows taken, channel to attack. Oh wait, oh. I mean, I turned the flipping phone laptop as well, the iPad off as well. Looks like I might be wrong. It looked like a good idea. It was shaping up to be a good idea. But maybe because it's already taken this channel out, now it's starting to push down possibly. Oh, it looked like a good idea, man. GJ shorts. 950 now, come on, man. Nothing's build up. Lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high on EU, and on GU lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, higher high. Break structure dead to short from here is what I'm seeing on GU, but at the same time I wanted to go long because I seen this. So lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, higher high, then lower low. Structure is not being consistent, is it? Price is moving weird, man. It's chopping both buyers and sellers out the market on lower time frame. So in almost 2 hours, it's done a 15 pip move. Absolutely horrendous. Yen's okay because in 2 hours it's done a 38 pip move, so you would have had at least TP1 if you managed to get into a long on here without getting chopped. I want to see this zone fail and then possibly short after that failure of that zone. Or unless you see like lower time frame confirmation of like lower like shift of momentum there, and then sure. Not shift of momentum, direction change. I'm so mentally tired. Or it could be a breakout and then a continuation. It's hard to say. This looks better because of this. I think I have to wait for New York.
Kremlin on Zelensky's referendum suggestion, saying the whole of Donbass region belongs to Russia. China to govern unfair competitions on online platforms.
Gold's still going for it. Both gold silver very leveled out. No. No, I haven't. Right, boys, I'm done for London session. I think it's very crappy price action. the sells that were there, they were not that good. They were not good quality short setups by any means. So I think we'll call it there for now. We'll see what New York has to offer, and then I'm 100% trading New York today. 1,000,000% I'm gonna trade New York. So yeah. By D. So yeah, I'll trade New York in the Discord probably. So yeah, I'll leave you guys to it. Hit like if you haven't hit like. Nice to see you guys after a nice 1 week holiday. It was good, to be fair, to get off the charts for a week. I think you do need it every so often. But yeah, we'll see what happens in New York session. Have you got any news for New York? No, we don't. So we shouldn't have any issues of news. We should be able to trade freely. So yeah, I think New York might be okay. So yeah, I'll have a look at that. Alright then guys, take it easy, man. I'll see you later. Peace out. Bye.
Yeah.